Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, followers of all ages, let me introduce you to Yara the YouTuber and Iggy the Instagrammer.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today, we're going on the ultimate holiday adventure.
New year, new content. Who's ready for some holiday magic?
Little did they know, their perfectly planned trip was about to take a hilarious turn.
Final boarding call for flight 123 to Paradise Island.
Iggy, we can't miss this flight. My subscribers are waiting.
But my ring light won't fit in the overhead bin.
As our dynamic duo finally reached their destination, the real fun began.
Time for some epic drone shots of the Christmas decorations.
Yara, a little help here?
But the best was yet to come, folks.
Welcome to our holiday baking extravaganza.
Today, we're making the world's most Instagram-worthy gingerbread house.
Is it supposed to be this runny?
Maybe if we just hold it like this.
And then it happened.
No. Oh my gosh, Iggy, look at our faces.
This is gold! We have to post this!
And just like that, our heroes learned a valuable lesson.
Guys, sometimes the best content is the stuff you can't plan.
Here's to keeping it real in the new year.
Our followers love it. They're calling us #relationship goals.
Really? Even with all the mess-ups?
Especially because of the mess-ups.
As their vacation came to an end, Yara and Iggy realized something important.
You know, Yara, I think we've stumbled onto something big here.
Authentic content is the best content.
And so Yara and Iggy returned home, their feeds filled not with perfection, but with perfectly imperfect memories.
Day 137 of the Soyuz Horizon mission. All systems nominal. Earth, do you copy? Earth, come in. The signal, it's gone.